Power, performance.
Capability and capacity.
Allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Dodge Durango GT in granite metallic with LED daytime running headlamps,
Premium front fog lamps,
20-inch aluminum wheels,
blind spot and cross path detection,
LED tail lamps,
heated front seats,
heated steering wheel,
46,000 miles on the odometer,
a 7-inch touchscreen display,
rear backup camera,
3-zone automatic temperature control,
heated rear seats,
third row seating,
power liftgate,
a 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5590.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.